Hello guys, hi, how are you? Uh, Actually, my name is Shravan. This is my kind of first video. So, even like everyone, I also have interest in motovlogging and bike rides, everything. So, two years back, I started doing bike trips. So, but I never captured anything. So, I thought like let me buy a action camera, let me shoot, and let me also do some stuff and learn at the same time. So it's not only about creating a channel, but also try to upload my whatever stuff I'm doing and I'm visiting. So that helps me to engage with all similar kind of people like me. So then I also can learn, and also you also can suggest me something. So it's like first setup for me. So starting all this thing, it's my initial first motovlog, and recently bought a GoPro Hero 7. So today, like everyone, first starting ఎలా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు motovlogging, maybe how you capture, like what you need, so what kind of action camera you need, accessories ఏమేం కావాలో. So just like I want to make a video on that, and so that if anything missing you also can tell me about that. So let me start. First I'll tell about the action camera which I bought initially. So this is a Hero GoPro Hero 7 Black. So I bought it from Flipkart. So basically why I choose this is like GoPro 8, it's a neo version, but like since I'm a beginner I thought like GoPro Hero 7 would be good. Why? Because 7 ఎందుకంటే 5 or other models low this కొన్ని features like hyper smooth stabilization and other things లేవు. So I thought like GoPro Hero 7 would be a best option to start with. So this is a GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's look like very small, but it's really proven quality camera for action, adventure, and any other stuff. So if you are a traveler or if you want to do vlog, so this is the best camera I think I would suggest. There are other action cameras as well. It's not that what you're using మీరు ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు కాదు, but it's what how you're enjoying it, that's it. So but I bought it GoPro Hero 7 Black. So let me walk you through this. So this is uh, you know a panel. So it's a protective case. So it's pretty, if you touch feel once the camera, you will get to know the quality అనేది మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. So this is how it looks. Let's on. So here is a power button, and here you got mode. So you can change like photo, video, time lapse, like different kind of options. By pressing this you can change. And you have the this socket USB, and power, so like USB cable and also charging socket here. And this is the battery case. So let me on this. So it's on, you can see me. So these are pretty cool features here, like you can set your resolution, angle, and you can just change the modes like camera, photo, time lapse. I'll make another video clearly on this. So this is action camera, but let me uh, walk you through about what all need you to shoot. For example, we all know that we want to do moto vlogging and traveling stuff. So, but we can't do like this. So, what you need is like a good accessories for this. So, I'll show you about the accessories and how to fit and what exactly uh, how you need to use different accessory. And later, I'll make a video on shooting with each and every accessories, how it looks, what angle and everything I'll show you. So let me walk you through about the accessories. So I'll just walk you through give about the original Flipkart GoPro case. So I bought two GoPro kit accessories. సో ఒక దాంట్లో మీకు 3 యాక్సెసరీస్ మాత్రమే వస్తాయి. ఇంకో దాంట్లో 14 యాక్సెసరీస్ దట్ ఐ బాట్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్. సో ఐ రివ్యూ బోత్ అండ్ షో యూ బోత్. మీకు ఏది ఎట్లా యూజ్ చేయాలో నేను చెప్తాను. లెట్స్ సీ. This is the original GoPro kit, accessory kit, and you have a GoPro mount. Like basically you can use like this. ఇక్కడ మీకు మౌంట్ పెట్టుకోవడానికి. And I got a head strap and I got a stick mount and a helmet mount. Few nuts. So original GoPro case lo meeku you'll get only this three accessories anamata. One is a hand mount, like you know when you put your GoPro here, like first remember, always keep your case on. So what exactly how we'll use this ante, so plug it here. So like this. So we can switch it and we can shoot this. So there's a use of this accessory. Basically you can strap it to your it's a buckle actually. It's a very strong tight buckle. You can strap it to your shoulder, like you know bag, or you know your t-shirt or any other thing. And the other one is the hand mount. So basically I'll show you how to fix this. So actually ఎట్లా యూజ్ చేస్తారంటే, so this is another mount. Normally it will used to held for any helmet or this kind of mounts anamata. So normally what we should do is just plug it here, take your GoPro, fix it here, keep the plug button itla, then you can held like this and shoot. So this is a other accessory which we'll get it from the original GoPro accessory kit, and this is a head strap. Similarly, you put your GoPro here, ఇట్లా పెట్టేసుకోవాలి. So you can shoot through your head view. So that's all you'll get. One head strap, one stick mount and strap mount with the original GoPro accessory kit. So now let's see what we will get in the 4-in-1 accessory kit of GoPro. Here it's look like this. We'll get 40 accessories in this. I'll show you each one and every accessory, and I'll show you ఎట్లా ఒక్కొక్కటి ఎట్లా యూజ్ చేస్తారో మీకు చెప్తాను. సో దీంతో మనకు వచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఫ్లోటింగ్ స్టిక్, ఫ్లోటింగ్ మౌంట్. సో ఇది ఎట్లా అంటే మీరు ఇట్లా పెట్టేసి మీరు నీళ్ళలో వదిలేయచ్చు. సో ఇట్ విల్ మునగదు ఇది. సో GoPro వచ్చేసి వాటర్ రెసిస్టెంట్ అప్పుడు 10 meters. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అ ఫ్లోటింగ్ స్టిక్. ఫ్లోటింగ్ స్టిక్ ఏంటంటే మీరు మునగదు ఇది. సో ఇది మునిగిపోదు. సో మీకు వాటర్లో కానీ స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్స్లో కానీ, సో యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ డ్రాప్ ఇట్ అండ్ షూట్ యువర్ వీడియోస్ ఆర్ ఫొటోస్. దట్స్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ this total mount. And this is one accessory, we'll get it. And the other one is it's very useful for motor vlogging actually, or trekking or trailing. It's a chest mount. So you keep it like this. Itla pettukovala chest mount. Here you'll get the GoPro, and you can shoot this. You will be having the view, entire view. మీరు కెమెరాలో యాంగిల్ పిఓవి అని ఉంటుంది, అది వైడ్ లీనియర్ బట్టి మీరు షూట్ లైక్ యాంగిల్ అనేది ఇట్లా వస్తుంది మీకు. సో దిస్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ యాక్సెసరీ ఆర్ మౌంట్ ఫర్ మోటో వ్లాగింగ్. So this is the one accessory we got. And one is a monopod. This is not a tripod. Tripod ki deeniki teda entante, tripod ante 3 stands ఉంటాయి ఇట్లా నించోవచ్చు, and you can keep the GoPro here and you can shoot it. And it's only monopod, like you just stick head, and of course it will go till amount of time, till length. And you'll get a mount here, and you need to fix the GoPro like this and you can shoot. So this is 3, and we have a hand trap. So normally ఏంటంటే just ఇలా హ్యాండ్కి ట్రై పెట్టుకోవాలా, and just place your mount here, GoPro here. So you'll get the hand mount. So if you're running, if you want to take a view from side angle when you're driving, so you just ఇలా పెట్టుకొని షూట్ చేయొచ్చు. This is also good accessory for moto vlogging. So totally till now we had 3, and the next one is I got an extra head mount. It would extra. So anyway, I got 2. Next we have a clip. So normally extra clip ఇది, so that's good. And this is a strap. సో నార్మల్లీ ఏంటంటే మీరు హెల్మెట్కి మౌంట్ కాకుండా జస్ట్ ఇట్లా స్ట్రాప్ పెట్టేసి ఇక్కడ ఒక మౌంట్ వస్తుంది, మీ హెడ్ స్ట్రాప్ లాంటిది ఇంకోటి పెట్టుకొని అట్లా కూడా స్ట్రాప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ సేఫ్ బికాజ్ ఇట్ మే బ్రేక్. కొత్త ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం కాదు, పాతగా అయితే ఇది యూసిపోయే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఇట్ విల్ గెట్ లూజ్. So this is another accessory we got. And so this is thing which I'm talking about. You need to plug it like this and you put your GoPro here. So these are the accessories for the monopod. And we have an extra accessory. బేసికలీ ఇది చిన్ మౌంట్కి యూజ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. సో నార్మల్గా ఇట్లా పెడితే ఏంటంటే మౌంట్ అనేది మీకు యాంగిల్ కొంచెం ఇట్లా బెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ద హెల్మెట్ చిన్ మౌంట్. సో ఐ ఆల్సో మేక్ ఈ వీడియో ఆన్ వెన్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ హెల్మెట్ మౌంట్ టు ఫిట్ మై GoPro. సో ఇది కూడా సేమ్ దీనిలాగానే, బట్ ఇది పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఇట్స్ చిన్నది అంతే. అండ్ ఎ నట్, ఇది డాష్ క్యామ్. ఎట్లా మంచి యాంగిల్, ఎటా యాంగిల్లో తిరుగుతుంది, జస్ట్ స్టిక్ చేయొచ్చు, మీరు కార్లో పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ది హ్యాండిల్ బార్. You need to keep useful for keeping to your helmet, or to your motorcycle handle, or to your bicycle handle actually. So that is a good view. Anyway, I'll make a video on on different kind of views. So apart from that, what we have, an extra mount, few 3mm stickers, 4, and a mount, and this is a flat sticker, this is a curved mount stickers and holders, extra bolts. So I'll make you look how it looks like. This is exactly the accessory kit look like this. Anyway, I'll make a short video and just keep posting on different videos on shooting with GoPro on different mounts and different angles. So I just next week Ninchi I'll be going to every week new place. I'll be exploring Telangana. So I'll keep posting about that, and please encourage and also try to give your valuable suggestions. Please, my suggestions, everything will be helpful and learning for me. And let's ride. Stay safe. Thanks.